Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for a superior non-slip shower mat, check this one out by XIYUNTE. This one gives me a wonderful grip and allows me mobility in the shower. One thing that I truly appreciate is the texture and how strong it is. Also, this has 216 suction cups that secure very nicely to the bottom with drain holes that allow for a quick drain. I also like that it drains so quickly that it can dry in between uses. This shower mat does not float. It stays nice and in place even when the water and bathtub is getting filled up. It kind of feels like a massage as I'm walking on it because you can feel the texture and has a wonderful color contrast. So you know when you're standing on the mat and then when you're not. Thankfully, though, they provide it in a larger size, which is really my favorite, the 36 by 16 with full coverage. It's also easy to clean. You can even place it vertically on your wall for a great suction to clean it in between uses. It can be cut to size, but I appreciate everything about this shower mat and highly recommend it.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.